Accidents can be chaotic and dangerous, often causing loss of life and physical harm to victims. The aftermath is exhausting as those with injuries face immense financial burdens, including medical bills, repairs costs, and lost wages due to the inability to work. If the victim can prove that another party was responsible for the accident, they can get justice and receive financial compensation. Navigating their process can be tricky, so the involved parties work with legal experts. Read on to discover what you must consider before securing legal representation after an accident. Experience with similar cases. Many people emphasize the importance of working with a lawyer after an auto, workplace, or public accident. However, the type of lawyer you hire matters a lot, since there are different legal specializations. You need an attorney who is familiar with accident cases and how they work. You want a better chance of winning the case. Not even a general practice lawyer will do, as their knowledge is limited. It is best to opt for a specialized lawyer who understands the processes involved in accident, litigation, and the kind of evidence and strategies that can strengthen your case. Track record of settlements and verdicts. You must entrust your case to a lawyer who is capable of helping you get the justice you deserve. You need to discover their success rates in accuser cases. Find out the number of whiplash, fracture, and other post-accident injury cases they have handled and won. This information provides insight into how effective they are at negotiating and advocating. Communication and accessibility personal injury lawsuits comprise many processes, including investigation, discovery, pleadings, and arbitration. As an individual without a legal background, you may struggle to understand these processes, and even during trials, you will find it difficult to follow the arguments. It is essential that your legal representative is patient. It can clearly explain concepts and proceedings to you, since you will need their guidance at different times. They should always be available to speak to you and answer your questions. Local knowledge and access to resources. Sometimes court procedures vary by location, as local laws can influence litigation. A lawyer based in the area or county where the accident occurred will understand local regulations and also be familiar with the strategies insurance firms use to reduce payout. Local lawyers also maintain professional relationships with other experts, such as doctors and accident reconstructionists. These resources are useful during evidence collection and damage evaluation. For instance, a personal injury attorney at Beverly Hills can work with specialists to assess physical and property damage to build a stronger case. Fee structure and payment terms. Given that your finances may be in disarray, you need a legal representative who accepts flexible payment terms. Some agree to receive a contingency fee. This structure is better than paying upfront legal fees, since you might lose the case. To ensure transparency, you and your lawyer must agree on a specific percentage and decide whether it includes additional costs, such as administrative and filing fees. This way, you can avoid disputes over costs. Endnote: do not rush to hire a lawyer for an accident or personal injury case without evaluating them using some major criteria. Verify their area of specialization, track records, communication skills, knowledge of local regulations, and payment structure. By assessing these factors, you will get to discover if a lawyer is qualified or not.